Did you have a filing, some kind of a filing thing?
Somewhere.
Stuff? Well, you need to try to find it. I mean,
Oh, okay.
well, they need to get their. How did it boy? Okay, watch Jordan's thing. We'll see what he does.
There you go.
Oh. Oh.
They both hit him and he was standing here. Gabe was standing here going, oh James, I wish you would hit me and knock my helmet off. And James stood back there going, hey, those guys are doing a great job. Look at that tackle. Alright, here we go. Down. Up.
Oh, he's right in the book. I think when Leslie, when he realizes he's not going to get hurt, I mean, now he'll start getting stronger every time.
You can break through 3 tackles in the game, you're my hero. Football right there, that was art.
See if he does better. Yeah. Oh, he got it. Oh, gosh. He's not looking off. Yay! He did it. We finally got him. Oh, listen.